What? I have to eat the frog? What the? Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel Shivani in Frame, and this is Shivani. So, if you know me, I am a social media executive at a digital marketing agency by the day, and by the night, I'm a content creator. Okay, at least trying to be a content creator. So, usually, my everyday schedule is getting up, going to office, and then वहाँ पर भी काम होता है ऑफिस का, like dealing with the clients, calling clients, टीम को टास्क देना, delegating task, and by the time I come home I'm really exhausted, but I still have to work on my content ideas जो properly हो नहीं पाता है because I'm tired. So I thought there has to be a way to fix my life, and guess what, मैंने किसे approach किया? Yes, the AI, Gemini. I asked Gemini to make a perfect schedule for me that is totally productive, जहाँ पर मेरा बेस्ट आउटकम आ सके. सो मोस्ट ऑफ अस नो जेमिनाई कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, यू गो टू जेमिनाई वेबसाइट एंड टैप ऑन द न्यू चैट, एंड वहाँ पे यू गिव इट अ प्रॉम्प्ट, और इट डजंट हैव टू बी अ प्रॉम्प्ट, यू जस्ट say like what you want. So I gave Gemini my 10 to 6 constraints. Like मैं कितने से कितने टाइम तक मेरा ऑफिस होता है, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम इज़ दी ऑफिस में, जहाँ पे जितना ज़्यादा शूट नहीं कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन स्टिल मुझे बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन करना है वो आवर्स का. सो मैंने जेमिनाई को वही बताया, एंड आई देन आस्क्ड गूगल्स AI Gemini to fix my life, and this is what Gemini gave me. So Gemini divided my entire day into three phases. Phase 1, the CEO morning. Phase 2, the agency grind. And phase 3, the second shift. And all these three phases are divided into multiple tasks as per my constraints. So, as per the phase 1, AI says that to be successful adult, you must prioritize your personal empire, that is my channel, before you build someone else's. That is my job. तो आई थिंक ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. लाइक आई रियली शुड प्रायोरिटाइज माई ओन ग्रोथ. जॉब तो है ही, बट कब तक? सो आई हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज माई channel, my content creation, or something that I've been meaning to do. And the first thing was to wake up at 5:30 a.m.
Good morning, guys. It is 5:37 and it's still dark outside. Let me show you. I hate waking up this early in the morning. लेकिन AI ने कहा है कि सुबह 5:30 उठना है without snoozing, and सबसे पहले उठते ही 500 ml of water पीना है. So let's get the water. Oh, finally done.
And after waking up, I have to make my bed and make it proper, because this sets the discipline tone for the video. Okay, so now we are in the middle of our phase 1, that is the CEO morning. And usually सुबह उठने के बाद मैं अपना Instagram check करती हूँ, Instagram scroll करती हूँ, but AI says no girl, you are not doing this today. So from 6 to 7:30 I was in deep work mode, and उस टाइम पर मैंने अपनी कुछ स्क्रिप्टिंग पे काम कर लिया. इसी वीडियो से मुझे कुछ अगर रील्स निकालनी है तो मैं किस तरह से मतलब रील्स निकाल सकती हूँ, क्या मतलब आइडिया क्या होगा, एंड हुक, द CTA, एंड कौन सी क्लिप्स कैसे यूज़ कर सकती हूँ, मैं उस चीज़ पे वर्क किया था. एंड मॉर्निंग में वर्क करने का बेनिफिट ये है कि your mind is fresh. It's not occupied in something, get distraction free ना, मतलब environment बहुत calm होता है, so you can easily work on some ideas that actually require your full attention. Next we moved on to a 30-minute yoga session. Well, usually मैं सुबह workout नहीं करती हूँ because slightly lazy, लेकिन this is something that I would like to inculcate in my everyday life. 30 minutes is like not a really big amount of time. It is manageable. So workout session और yoga session, meditation कुछ तो ज़रूर होना ही चाहिए. I am now and it's time for prepping breakfast and lunch. सीरियसली बहुत भूख लग रही है क्योंकि सुबह 5:30 से उठी हुई हूँ एंड आई हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ ईटिंग समथिंग विद इन 1 hour ऑफ वेकिंग अप. सो अब हम बनाएंगे ब्रेकफास्ट. वैसे AI said कि don't make any heavy breakfast like parathas. यूजुअली मैं रोटी खाती हूँ. So let's try for something healthy. So after 30-minute yoga session, AI straight away jumped to breakfast. In between, it skipped the freshing up part or bathing part. So straight away to breakfast. And AI specifically mentioned that do not have heavy breakfast. You have to have a light breakfast. So no parathas. Okay. And I decided to go with poha. Okay, it's very light, easy to make, जल्दी बन भी जाता है. Also forgot one thing, AI ने कहा था कि योगा या फिर वर्कआउट सेशन के बाद कुछ छोटे से स्नैक्स खा सकते हैं. सो मैंने रात को आलमंड्स और रेजन्स सोक किए थे वाटर में, और मैं खाना भूल गई, तो मैं अब खाऊंगी. ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी है, लंच भी रेडी है, लेकिन आई एम रनिंग लेट. ओके, इट्स 9:29 एंड मुझे 1 मिनट में रेडी होना है बिकॉज 9:30 मेरा कम्यूट करने का टाइम है. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू गेट रेडी विद इन 1 मिनट. So the last chapter of phase 1 is the commute, where I have to go to the office, not scrolling Instagram but listening to a digital marketing or a SEO podcast. I forgot to mention this to the AI that I don't go to office by cab, I go by scooty. So मैंने ट्राई किया कि मैं उस टाइम को मैनेज कर सकूं. सो वट आई डिड, मैं उस टाइम पर अपने ऑफिस के जो टास्क थे वो लाइन अप कर रही थी, सो दैट मैं ऑफिस जाते ही जो भी टास्क है उस पर वर्क स्टार्ट कर दूँ एंड अपनी टीम को भी वो टास्क डेलीगेट कर दूँ या ब्रीफ कर दूँ. सो मैं जहाँ पे लेट चल रही थी मैंने वही टाइम थोड़ा बहुत मैनेज कर लिया था. आई एम 50 minutes लेट. ओके, बट आई ट्राई कि मैं अपना टाइम कवर अप कर सकूँ. सो दिस इज़ द लास्ट chapter of phase 1. With this, the phase 1 CEO grind officially ends, and let's step into the next phase, that is the agency grind. The phase 2, the agency grind, started with me reaching office. Obviously I was late, and according to AI the first task was to outfit check. My colleagues were looking at me, but they know that I make videos. But taking an OOTD video right at the reception table was really awkward. So from 10 to 1 p.m., I have to enter the deep work mode, and which also includes to eat the frog. Yes, I have to eat the frog. So, eat the frog is a productivity hack, which means do the hardest task first when your caffeine is peaking. That means do your hardest task first when you're actually in the like more attentive. When you're actually more attentive, you have to do your hardest task then there itself. So, actually, doing your hardest task first makes it very easy for you to work the rest of the day. लाइक अगर पहले ही आपने अपने हार्डेस्ट टास्क कर लिए हैं तो रेस्ट ऑफ द टास्क डोंट सीम दैट बिग, सो यू फील लाइटर एंड डोंट स्ट्रेस टू मच ऑन द वर्क. So according to Gemini, there was no snack time in the schedule. Okay, usually I get hungry around 12 noon, so I had my grapes because I was hungry, even though AI did not mention snack time. ओके, सो हमारा फेज 2 का पार्ट 1 ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड वी आर मूविंग टू पार्ट 2. where I just have to do some shallow or like not so important work, and उसके बाद होगा लंच टाइम. सो ये जो ब्लॉग था, वर्क ब्लॉग, इट वाज आई थिंक थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था, लाइक जहाँ पे डिस्ट्रैक्शन भी नहीं होना चाहिए था एंड फुल ऑन फोकस करना है, मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट टास्क करना है, बट आई गेस इट वाज गुड. Really helped me to complete the task that I always find. Then from 2 to 2:30 was my lunch break. Okay, so it's 2 p.m. and it's lunch time. 30 minutes का lunch break है, and here is my lunch. डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगी. So according to AI, ये जो 30 मिनट्स हैं मुझे माइंडफुल च्यूइंग करनी है और जो स्क्रीन से दूर रहना है. नो फ़ोन, नो लैपटॉप, नो मॉनिटर, नथिंग. माइंडफुल च्यूइंग करनी है और खाने पे फोकस करना है. मतलब यार पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, कम से कम तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा देखे बिना तो मतलब खाना जाएगा ही नहीं अंदर. बट आई स्टिल ट्राई, ओनली फॉर AI. So 30 minutes are over, lunch time is over. Really 30 minutes, no screen time, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था, बट चलो मैनेज कर लिया. एंड नेक्स्ट इज अगेन अ सेकेंड डीप वर्क मोड, फॉलोइंग दी पोमोडोरो टेक्निक. पोमोडोरो टेक्निक क्या होती है वो आपको थोड़ी देर में पता चलेगी. Pomodoro is a time management technique which boosts our focus and productivity by breaking work into 25 minutes of distraction free intervals called Pomodoros, and then separated by 5-minute breaks. And after completing 4 such cycles, you can take a 15 to 30 minutes break altogether. So at 4:30, AI planned a fun, interesting activity for me, which I really liked. It is the trend audit activity. It's like a game where I have to spend 15 minutes analyzing a completely random niche. For example, fishing gear marketing or luxury watches. At the time of this activity, I suddenly thought of sauces. Like, what's the market of sauces in India? And I actually studied about it. I even studied about the creatives or the existing brands and future prospects of that market. It was really interesting. It helped boost my general knowledge, and somehow I can apply it somewhere in my work also. And with this activity done, we were into the final stage of our phase 2. And the stage is wrapping up the work or the entire day tasks. Okay, so it's 6:30 p.m. and it's a wrap up for my office. लेकिन ये यहीं पे end नहीं होता है. This is actually the end of our phase 2 and the phase 3 begins. Wow, phase 2 was really long. So as I enter my home, we also enter the last phase of our day, that is the second shift. मैं घर पहुंच चुकी हूँ and it's time for starting the phase 3, the second shift. Interesting name, right? So according to AI, even if I'm tired, which I am actually, you can see face, eyes, sub tired, fully tired. Even if I'm tired, I should not crash on the couch. Instead, I should keep the momentum going, and I need to just change my clothes and wash up and थोड़ा सा rest लेना है, थोड़ा सा. So after an early dinner, AI says from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I have to work on my channel. It's like a client meeting with myself. And you know what? This is the reality of a content creator that nobody tells you. You have to work after you have finished working. That's how it is. So for this 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. block, I will try to write another script for, or at least research for some idea for my next YouTube video. So after 10:30, no phone was allowed or for that matter, no screen time was allowed. It was the digital sunset. So AI says after 10:30, no devices, no phones. But for the sake of filming, I had to use mobile. So from 10:30 to 11 p.m., AI ने कहा कि you have to prepare for the morning so that you don't waste time or procrastinate about it the next day. So अगर आप पहले ही prepare कर लोगे, so next day you can run on schedule. And I think that is very important. So 10:30 to 11 p.m. I did all my preps for the very next day, and it was a wrap up at 11 p.m. Finally, it's 11 p.m. and the phase 3 has finally ended. The phase 3, the last phase. Oh my god, that was a really, really long day. At least it felt like a really long day. I woke up at 5:30 a.m. It's 11 p.m. now. So I'm just so tired. मुझे बस अब बस सोना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. बस सोना है. Even the AI recommends 6 to 7 hours of sleep after this successful adult routine. So I'm going to hit the bed. Okay. Coming up next is my verdict on this whole routine. So see you in 3 seconds. And with that, I was done for the day. Here is the data analysis. First, the pros. Waking up at 5:30 in the morning actually felt very refreshing at first because being a night owl मेरे लिए early bird बनना बहुत मुश्किल है. Waking up at 5:30 a.m. and drinking 500 ml of water actually में मुझे मतलब उठने में properly उठने में help की. The next point is I got some real ideas prepared before I even had my breakfast. When I was in that distraction free zone, I worked on some real ideas and I'm definitely going to implement it. The trend audit game was actually the best. सी अगर मैं हर दिन कुछ ऐसे ही टॉपिक्स लूँगी, कुछ ऐसी नीश लूँगी और उनको स्टडी करूँगी, सो आई थिंक मेरा नॉलेज बेस काफ़ी इंक्रीज होगा एंड समवेयर आई विल गेट मोर आइडियाज़ टू वर्क फॉर माई क्लाइंट्स इन एट वर्क एंड वैसे भी मतलब कुछ अपने वीडियोज़ के रिलेटेड कुछ कुछ आइडियाज़ मिल जाएगा टू ट्राई और एक्सपेरिमेंट समथिंग. So I think that is the real winner here, the trend audit game. Now the cons part. Again, it's the same thing. मेरे लिए सुबह 5:30 बजे उठना is a bit difficult. I can stay up late night, but I cannot wake up early in the morning. I find it very difficult. This whole routine had no time for breaks. Like when I'm in the office, I should have some breaks at least to get up from my seat for like 2 to 3 minutes. कोई टाइम नहीं था, ऐसा स्केड्यूल ही नहीं बनाया था. नो चाय ब्रेक्स, नो वॉकिंग वॉक अराउंड, कुछ भी नहीं था ऐसा. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन थिंग दैट ए आई मिस्ड. वर्किंग इन deep focus mode without breaks actually will lead to burnouts. So I think थोड़ा बहुत breaking तो होना चाहिए. There was no break for snacking around 12 before lunch. You might feel hungry like I do, I always do. So I need to carry some snacks with me, but there was no schedule for the snacks. So hona chahiye the snacks. Again, the no screen lunch part was a bit difficult because when you're just eating alone, I know mindful chewing is very important, but at the same time, you get consumed in your own thoughts. I do. So, watching something actually puts my focus somewhere. Okay, I might not watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, but I would like to watch something useful like Shark Tank, maybe. And the next point is that I was exhausted, totally exhausted, because it felt like a lot happening. Because maybe हो सकता है कि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ कर रही हूँ तो मुझे लग रहा हो कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा exhausting है. There's so many activities, there are so many things to do, and on a daily basis doing the same things will definitely feel exhausted. Maybe you get used to it or maybe not. If you get used to it then fine, but if you're not, it will just drain your energy. By the end of the week you will feel tired, and on the weekends you will just feel like just staying in the bed and doing nothing. Another point that I want to say is there's no time for other things. Like if from 5:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. I am either working for other or working for myself or my channel or my dreams, why do I have to, refrain from all the other activities? I need to like hang out with my parents, from with my family or with my friends on Sunday. There has to be something. मतलब इस पूरे रूटीन में कुछ था ही नहीं ऐसा कि मैं कहीं अपनी सोशल लाइफ पे भी ध्यान दे सकूं. So adulting is really about just working, working and working. It shouldn't be like that. So there should be some time or space for doing some other activities like hobbies and all. I did not mention what my hobbies are. I just mentioned about my job. Maybe that's why Gemini did not give me a schedule which includes doing something that I like as a hobby, or maybe going out with friends, or maybe spending time with family. um, ऑब्वियसली अब एआई ऐसे ही वर्क करता है, वट एवर यू फीड इट जस्ट ब्लर्ट्स आउट. आई थिंक मेरे पार्ट में भी थोड़ा सा ये एक कमी रह गई कि मैं एआई को थोड़ा और बता सकती थी, बट एआई डिड नॉट थिंक ऑफ इट ऑन इट्स ओन. It should have. So, according to AI, being a successful adult is incredibly efficient, but it feels a bit robotic. Like you have to do this every day for I don't know how many days, months, or years. So, it feels kind of robotic. However, the part where the AI says that you have to treat yourself or your channel like a client and commit to it with meetings and with your full dedication, I think that part मैं ज़रूर focus करूँगी इस part पे. I like that very much. Overall, I don't think I might follow this routine as it is. So for tomorrow, I may not follow this routine as it is. I might make some changes or make it more flexible. So I would love to know if you could have survived this schedule, and comments में ज़रूर बताना if you have any other productivity hack that I can try. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.